Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 198, house robbers problem. So it's a very well known problem, and in this problem, we will be given a non-negative array of non-negative integers, and we have to find out the maximum number, like the maximum total, which we can get out of it. And the given constraint is we cannot choose two adjacent numbers in a single combination. Okay. So what we will be doing is we will be using the dynamic programming to tackle this problem, and we're gonna uh, create a array, and that array, like the ith element of that array, will represent the maximum uh, you can get if you rob that particular, like the ith house in the given nums array. Okay. So to do that, like first condition, what I will be using is if not on nums, return 0. Like if there is nothing, we don't want to process anything, and we can simply just return 0. Okay. Next, I want to get the length of the given array. Okay. And if n is equals to 1, I, or let's say if, okay, that's fine. I think let's continue with this. Then return nums of 0. I was planning if we can check for 1 and 2 both, and instead of this returning like the element at 0th index, if we can find out the maximum between the given array, like the total array. Okay, but let's keep it like this, and we'll see later. Okay, I want to initiate a DP array of the same length of the nums array which we have received, and of course, like 0th element will be equal to the 0th element of the nums array. And for the first element, for example, in DP, at 0th element, of course, like this will be the maximum we can get at the 0th, right? But for the first index, it is possible that the 0th element was greater than the first element. So what I will be checking is check max of num 0 and nums 1. Okay, so whichever is greater, we will keep that at the first index of our DP array. Okay, next I want to just simply iterate through all the elements. Okay, and we have already processed till the first index, so I want to start from the second index, and we'll go till n, like the number of elements in the given array. Okay, now you just simply have to populate the DP array with a simple logic. The logic is you have to keep, so yeah, either you can check, like in the DP array, either you can check if what is the maximum. For example, at second index, okay, we are at the second index, we will check if the element at second index plus the element at the 0th index in the DP array, or the element at I minus 1. For example, in this case, it will be element at the first index. Whichever is greater, we will keep that in our DP array. So it is simple. DP of v1 at I, so I minus 1, and to check, like the second element is I minus 2 plus nums of I. Simple. So you have prepared your DP array, and you just have to return the last element of the DP array which we have prepared. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so test cases got passed successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed decent. I think we outperformed 90% of the submissions. So thanks again guys for watching the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Bye.